right. Today I'm helping Tete to watering the garden. So how should I say in English?
You say,
Or in Shona?
in short, I say, ndiri,
Diri,
kubatsira,
kupasirika,
tete,
Tete,
kudiridza,
kudirikiza,
garden.
garden,
Mugarden,
mu garden,
mune hanyanisi.
mune hanyanisi.
Yes, that's good. That's great.
Mune hanyanisi.
Yes.
All right, so
Yes.
see, I'm watering
Yes.
the garden.
To that
Hanyanisi.
end.
Murora what? Dirikuku is a garden. Diriku is a garden. Alright. Alright, so this is the Hanyanisi. Alright. So another word.